Now that you have made it through Cyber Monday and Black Friday, you can look forward to all those events that you have coming up this month, right? Well, don't you want to get your skin party perfect? If so, keep watching because this will definitely help you. I'm going to do a series of tips that will really help you get your skin to be its healthiest and most glowing for the holiday season. So if you are unfamiliar, if you haven't watched any of my videos before, I'm Bethany Hilt. I'm the Future of 50 founder of Verterra Skincare. Verterra is Latin meaning to turn, and our hyperactive naturals turn around the look of your skin in as soon as 72 hours. So getting your skin party perfect. Step number one, the first place to start is to ditch the foam so you can ditch the dryness. So what do I mean? That foaming cleanser that you might be using, we need to set that aside right now because it is winter. I don't know about where you are, but I had snow in my car this morning. And we really need to focus on putting moisture back into our skin. And the foaming agents in our cleansers, no matter how gentle they may be, if your cleanser foams at all, that can be drying to your skin. So put that foaming cleanser to the side and swap it out for something that infuses more moisture into your skin. Non-pore clogging moisture, of course. So whether you're using my lotion to serum cleanser or a cleansing lotion or a cleansing cream, swap out that foaming cleanser. Ditch the foam right now, especially if you're oily, because what's going to happen if you are using something that's drying, even in this weather, you're going to get more oily breakthrough than you normally do. So trust me on this. Try this out for yourself and comment below and let me know the results that you're seeing, how you're seeing your skin respond over the next few days. What you should see immediately is if you have any tightness, you know how, especially like if you smile and your cheeks feel tight, that should subside. You shouldn't feel that anymore. You're also going to notice that your skin feels softer. You're also going to notice less oily breakthrough and more of a subtle glow because you're putting moisture back into the skin from the start. You're setting your skincare foundation, if you will, off on a more hydrating, nourishing, gentler note. So that's step number one. So try that out this week. I really want to hear from you. Comment below and let me know how that's working for you. And if you have any questions about swapping out your foaming cleanser, what to kind of look for yourself, any questions that you might have, ask that question below too and I'll respond to you personally. But I'm telling you, you're going to really like the results. So comment below and let me know how it's going. Have a great day.